Go ahead. Okay, now take the frying pan, the spatula.
Mix it around
A little bit.
Make sure they separate.
And while they're frying up, you should be cutting the potato into chunks.
Just mix it around a little bit. Okay, now cutting the potato. Okay, now I go like that and cut that in half.
Exactly.
Just like tomatoes.
Exactly.
Okay, now with this, you go like that, right?
Yeah, you could cut it 2 or 3 times next to it. You don't have to keep flipping it once it's like that size, you know. You just want it to be like bite size.
You sure this isn't too big? You sure these onions aren't?
No, they're perfect.
Good. Okay. Too much.
Perfect.
You sure?
Yeah.
That sounds right. You can go the peas and carrots. And stir them around.
It's hot.
Sort of mix them up. It's all together.
Oh, now
Okay, now put in the potatoes. In they go. They look like little apples.
They totally do.
Now, mix them around with the onions and peas. And this is going to be the filling that we're going to have. All we're going to do is just add the curry, but
And also the vegetable broth, remember?
And the vegetable broth stock.
Right.
And then this is kind of the body of it. I'm going to flatten this curry out. No, put it in. That's 1 tablespoon. Now
No, 1.
1 teaspoon.
Okay.
And then this is a lot of curry. Okay. 2nd teaspoon.
Okay.
Now stir it well. You want to stir it until everything's coated. The curry.
Good.
You want the vegetables to be coated in the curry. See everything to kind of get like a brownish coloring. Spread it around. And then we're going to add the stock.
Correct. Once the vegetables, I think, are soft, right? That's what
Okay, now I've crushed the garlic. These are 2 garlic cloves. Put it in. Okay, and then stir it around. Make sure they catch up with all the other vegetables were getting coated. Make sure they also get that coating on them. And some pea has escaped.
Looks good. It smells good, Benj.
Spicy. If you want, you could add your own spices. Okay, now we're gonna take the vegetables, our own homemade vegetable stock that we made earlier with the spices and water. We're gonna pour it in. Okay. Stock's getting used to the hot pan. It was just cold in a warm bowl, in a cold bowl, so it's getting used to the pan, making that sound. Mix it around. While this is finishing, we're cooking frying the inside, the vegetables, and we're gonna get ready on the dough. Get the ingredients ready on the dough. We need 1 cup of flour for thing, and if that's too much, so you want to kind of flatten it around. Put that into our dry bowl. 2 teaspoons of salt. And this is for the outside layer, the dough. Salt's kind of to give it a little bit of flavor and get its own dough. Okay, now we have canola oil, which is 2 tablespoons, which is
That right there, the blue one.
2 tablespoons.
But that's not canola oil.
Blueberries. It's okay. Okay, canola oil.
Yeah, exactly.
Over the bowl. So if you spill, that's where it's going anyway. Well, that was a little much. Okay. All right. And then that's it.
Okay, pause 1 second. Actually, you want to mix it together, so I'm gonna give you a spoon. Oh, but we're still. I didn't pause it.
Okay. Now you mix the flour, salt, and canola oil together.
Take a look at your vegetables. How they doing?
Vegetables have gone much browner. It seems like curry's with all of them now. Kind of just settling around. They seem almost ready
Yeah.
to get cooked a little more.
Okay.
Square-shaped carrots. Fun thing. As I stir this, it starts to become this dough.
Go.
Okay, and the dough also calls for 7 tablespoons of water.
Did you keep the water on, Benj?
Okay. And
Make sure it's cold water, okay?
cold water.
No. There you go. Perfect.
Cold water. Which one? That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I'm going to put it in this cup just so it's easier to transfer. And now pour it in. Whoa, splattery water. Yes, that's now. Mix it up all around to make it firm. Then mix it hard. Strength. Now, with the flour, you can see that this looks much more firm and like dough. It's got like more of the mass. It's got like the mass.